This video I will tell you how you can log into your cPanel from your VPS. So if you are not able to access this WHM VPS panel, then you can watch my first video. I will provide the link for that in the description. So if you want to log into cPanel, then you will have to click on this search, and here you can type list, and here you will see list accounts, and here when you will scroll down you will see all the domain cPanel and the IP addresses that you have added in the WHM, and here you will see this cPanel icon over here. So you can click on the cPanel icon that you want to log in, and when you will click on it you will see the cPanel of that hosting. So now you can scroll through the cPanel and do whatever you want. So that's it for the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, so this will help YouTube recommend my channel to more viewers. Thank you for helping me grow. See you next time.